Hi there, I'm Gwen Benoit, Naval Architect with Quantum Marine Stabilizers, and we're at Quantum's headquarters in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're here with Kaylin Kinsey, Senior Acoustic Engineer with J&A Enterprises, and Kevin Kusiak, a Product Design Engineer at Quantum. So today, you guys are here to do some noise and vibration tests on a piece of equipment.
That's correct.
Kevin, can you tell us a little bit about the equipment?
It's the QP40V. The motor is outside of the tank, the pump is inside of the tank, and that is to help reduce airborne noise.
Kaylin, can you tell us a little bit about what type of tests you'll run today and what should we expect to see?
Yeah, so I'm going to use microphones to measure how much noise this piece of machinery outputs. It's got some powerful pumps, so it makes a lot of noise.
How are sound and vibrations measured?
Well, microphones are used to measure the sound pressure, which we express as levels in decibels, or dB. Vibrations are measured with an accelerometer. In this case, we measure the vibrations on the machine itself and also the vibrations on the structure the machine is mounted on.
And could you talk us through your test setup today?
Sure. So there are 8 microphones that are surrounding this unit. They're spaced a specific distance away according to some test standards that we're following. Later, I will analyze the data and find an average across these microphone positions, and that's what I use to determine the overall level that this machine emits. With the vibration, we have these small accelerometers, and I measure above and below each of the 4 vibration isolation mounts.
All right, Kevin, why did you call Kaylin in for these tests?
Because we have a close relationship with J&A. Whenever we want to know more about a power pack's sound levels, we call J&A to verify where they're at.
Why are they important for Quantum's equipment?
This is important for Quantum so that we can present a report to our customer so we can say what the sound levels are at beforehand. So we're doing it proactively instead of reactively.
Now, Kevin, we all know that Quantum's always working really hard to make our equipment the best possible.
Of course.
And that pertains to making the ship roll the least amount and also comfort in terms of the amount of noise that we emit. But in this case, is there any particular requirement from our customer that we have to meet?
Expectations, no, but we do know where we like to be. We like to exceed that, of course, to make sure our products are the best.
Quieter than that.
Yeah, exactly. And try to make it as quiet as possible based on his input and feedback.
Typically, these types of units run about 70 to 80 decibels.
Okay, all right, perfect. So that's the range we're aiming for today.
Or quieter.
Or quieter. And if this doesn't meet expectations, what do you guys plan to do?
We know the general values of the different areas on board a ship. We make sure we meet those values beforehand. If we need to improve a given value, we work with J&A to see if we need to add in dampeners or silencers or something along those lines.
Yeah, part of my job is not only to measure and quantify levels, but also to do diagnostic testing and come up with solutions to noise and vibration problems.
Perfect. Sounds like you guys have your work cut out for you. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes to chat with me, and good luck with your
Sure.
tests.
Thanks, Gwen.
Thank you very much.